Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will compare Trello versus ClickUp versus Asana. ClickUp is highly customizable task views including list, board, calendar and even time tracking views. While Asana includes list and board views and you can organize tasks with due dates, subtasks and attachments. And Trello use a simple drag and drop board to manage tasks. So when we compare these three, I think ClickUp is the best. Trello is outdated with some of the things. Asana is good, but it's not as good as ClickUp, and ClickUp is a good. It could be better, but it's better than a Trello and Asana, and here's why. So as you can see on Trello, on ClickUp, you actually have custom tasks. This is great if you are doing project management. But then you have scalable hierarchy. So as you can see, with a limitless number of levels to create any structure you need. You can create structures however you want, right? Now goals in Asana, you have goals in Trello, you do not have goals, and in ClickUp, you have goals. Now there are dashboards with 50 plus widgets, which are great if you want to customize your project management, do the task and much more. This is what Asana and Trello are linking, and ClickUp has that embedded within the software and within the platform. ClickUp built-in documentation and knowledge-based features for team collaboration. ClickUp integrates with a wide range of third-party apps like Google Workspace, Slack, Zapier, and more. ClickUp is a more all-in-one solution compared to Trello and Asana, offering time tracking, document management, and reporting in one platform. You can create unique workflows tailored to your needs, making it a good option for teams with complex processes. Asana set milestones to track the progress of larger goals or projects. Asana allows you to add custom fields to tasks for tracking specific project details. It set up automation rules to streamline processes and reduce manual work. Asana integrates with Google Drive, Slack, Microsoft Teams, Zapier, and many others. Asana allows you to set dependencies between tasks, which is great for managing complex workflows. In Trello, you can add detailed checklists within cards to break tasks into smaller pieces. It integrates with popular apps such as Google Drive, Slack, and Dropbox. Power-ups extend the functionality of boards. In Trello, you can set due dates and Trello will notify you when tasks are close to their deadlines. Trello is incredibly simple to use, making it ideal for teams that want a straightforward Kanban-style workflow. The free version of Trello is generous and many teams can operate effectively without upgrading to paid plans. And Trello is less heavy compared to ClickUp or Asana, making it a good choice for smaller teams with less complex project management needs. By comparing all these three, Trello, ClickUp, and Asana, I find that Trello is best for simplicity and small teams, while Asana is best for collaboration and medium complexity, and ClickUp is best for customization and advanced features. So that's basically it. Now comment down below, what do you think? What are your opinions on it? I would love to see, but for me, ClickUp is the clean winner. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.